We're on the second tank now. Fit about 39 pounds into the first tank. It's over there. After that, because we were using all snow in here, it hadn't melted the snow in the water, which wasn't transferring enough heat, and it actually went off on a high pressure safety that's on that recovery machine right there. It has an internal safety that'll shut it off so it doesn't blow the tank and itself up. But now that you see that we have water and ice, shake it around so you can see the water. When it's got water and ice, keeps it down, say like 270 pounds of pressure. So that tank over here is only at 270 pounds of pressure, so it's low enough to where it's able to keep letting refrigerant go into it without any problems. The higher the pressure, the higher the temperature, so when that temperature gets way too high, hence we'll have 500 psi of pressure, and that'll shut it off. So here's how you can see that this subcooler full of the coil there. If I pull it out, it'll get warm. Let's do a little test to see how long it takes it to get over 300. It's dripping wet. Have to let all the water dry off. It takes longer than I thought. I can feel on my hand, I can feel the heat coming off of the coil. Oh, so much that I know. It's going to take longer than I thought. But now you can see it's starting to move up, starting to climb. Also helps that it's a cold day out here. That's helping to keep the temperature down, but it won't stay down for too long. It will inevitably rise, because when I had it just sitting packed with snow, it was still able to get up to 500 psi, which if you can look in here, when I cover this with snow, it's just covering the outside casing, and that coil on the inside was actually not getting all the ice and water that it needed to.